Defendant charged in the Young Slime Life gang trial claims the state's not doing enough to protect the people who are too poor to pay for their own defense. Channel 2's Michael Seiden with us now, live outside the Fulton County Courthouse with the growing frustration.
And Justin, that attorney telling us that she isn't making enough money for this case. She's thinking about starting her own ONLYFANS page just to fund her legal services. More on that in a moment, but another busy day here in the courthouse. In fact, tight security again. I had to put this wristband on that shows that I went through the double security checkpoint to get inside the courtroom. Once we got inside, though, defense attorneys say what happened inside, they were disappointed. That's because they claim they're not getting enough money to represent those who need public attorneys.
This case is slated to last for about a year, and if you were to do the math, it would be $6 an hour. I can't take any new cases. I can't close any cases. I need something to survive off of.
Criminal defense attorney Angela D. Williams calling out the Georgia Public Defender Council, which is the state agency that appointed her to represent one of the defendants charged in the Young Slime Life gang case against rapper Young Thug and his alleged associates.
But we were under the impression that GPDC was advocating for us, and once they put those walls up, I'm thinking maybe I need to start an OnlyFans?
D. Williams says she came to court today hoping to question GPDC's executive director, Amatayo Ali.
I asked for additional funds back in March, and that was met with a letter from the director saying she doesn't need to meet with me anymore.
But the executive director never took the stand. Instead, one of her lawyers stepped in for her.
I'll just stand on my motion as far as my argument to hear what Ms. Ali could possibly have to offer the court that couldn't be available through me or someone else.
Okay, let me take a few minutes out and let me let you talk with Ms. Glazier.
After a 10-minute closed-door meeting between D. Williams and GPDC, the two parties agreed they would meet again within the next 2 weeks. While a spokesperson for GPDC says they're working to find additional funds for lawyers who are currently getting paid $15,000 for this entire case.
If they really cared about those who are indigent, they would use the taxpayers' money wisely.
And guys, just the latest numbers we have dating back to August. The reality situation is 85% of defendants in Georgia are indigent. And as of last August, again, more than 600 were unrepresentative. Again, though, a spokesperson for that state organization says they are working to find alternative funding. But of course, right now, there are 4 attorneys in this case who could potentially be leaving because of lack of funds. We are live in downtown Atlanta. Michael Seiden, Channel 2.